is sponsored by Ghost Recon Breakpoint, available now. And Brock Lesnar quickly with Kofi Kingston, and an F5, and F5 by Lesnar. Here's the cover. We got a new champion. We have a new...
And he set him up. It could be time for the triple verticals. Spin those hips, Eddie. There's number 2. And here comes...
Going that hamstring. He's been doing that since the beginning of the match.
Look at Roman's pedigree!
Roman Reigns feeling it. Brock Lesnar back to his feet. Roman Reigns in perfect Superman punch. Right on the nose. Right on the nose. Reigns with a Superman punch.
Lesnar didn't even
get it. Covering Roman.
This is John Cena for a third time in Lesnar though. Cena.
Look at this.
Lesnar's on top.
Cena's done.
Years.
I knew it all along. Roman Reigns is going to